In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cards using Trello. We'll explore a series of straightforward steps to help you integrate card merging functionality into your Trello board efficiently and effectively. Let's get started. First things first, navigate to your Trello board and locate the Power Ups section. This section is like your control center for adding new features to your board. It's designed to expand and enhance the basic functionalities Trello offers, allowing you to tailor experiences that suit your needs. Once in the Power Up section, you want to look for the Add Power Ups option. Click on this to gain access to Trello's vast variety of add-ons. This is where you can explore different tools that can vastly improve your productivity by adding more functionalities to your Trello board. After that, use the search bar to type in Send Board. You'll want to keep your eyes peeled for a specific option called Email for Trello. When it appears, click on Add. This tool is a handy addition that will assist you in managing and merging cards more smoothly. Having added this feature, the next step is to press Add again, which completes the installation of the Send Board feature. Following this, you'll click on Quick Start to initiate the setup process within Trello. This feature will guide you through initial configurations, making the integration seamless. Subsequently, press Set Up My Account. This is an important step as it ensures that all your settings are in place and ready for usage. Once everything is set up, you can safely close this menu for now. Next, open up a card from your Trello board. This is where you'll see the Send Board option, which you can click to access additional settings. Within these settings, find Edit Power Up settings and proceed accordingly. This is crucial as it adjusts the send board to align with your board's needs. You'll need to enter your email address in the following step. Doing so allows the tool to configure personalized settings associated with your Trello account. Click on Continue to Settings to proceed, ensuring every option is meticulously set up. Now you'll need to adjust your plan settings. Click on Change Plan, where you'll explore different subscription options available to you. Look for the Essential plan, as this plan includes the card merge feature you're seeking. By subscribing to this plan, you'll unlock the ability to merge Trello cards effortlessly. To finalize, click on Choose Plan to subscribe. This will confirm your subscription, integrating the card merging functionality into your Trello boards. Once done, you're ready to efficiently merge cards and substantially enhance your Trello experience. Thank you for joining this tutorial, and happy merging.